Hey, what's going on? Charles here with Service First Mortgage. I've got something that you are looking for. So I get asked all the time, what is the loan process? What is the home buying process? And it's always the same. And what I've got here is I've got this incredible flow chart I'm going to show you, and it's going to walk you through the steps so that you feel comfortable in buying. So let's get started and take a look. So the first thing you have to do in your home buying process is you need to find a real estate agent, and you need to determine whether or not you do want to purchase a home. So once you find that out, then you need to give us a call. Give me a call, my team. We will get the process started. We'll take a loan application, and we'll make sure that we have everything we need to qualify you to purchase a home. Once we know that, we will provide a pre-qualification letter to your agent so you can start looking for homes. Just remember, that letter is very important because it tells the seller that you have began the process and someone has looked at your information and you are capable of purchasing their home. So once we get that, you'll start looking at homes with your agent. You find the dream home. It's magic. It is the home. Gonna make an offer. Gonna make an offer on that house. And you're going to write a check for some earnest money and a check for some option money, and those are dollars that you are going to provide to the seller to say, I'm serious about buying your home. It's what that tells you. You do get credit back at closing, but you're putting that money up saying, I am dead serious about this house. So you make your offer, and of course, like anything, you get to negotiate terms. Negotiate terms of the contract of the purchase price, closing costs, who's paying for the title policy, who's going to pay for the survey, what are repairs. That stuff is going to be put in there. Then the contract's going to be accepted. Once it's accepted, the title company will cash the earnest money check, and it'll be held in escrow until closing, and you will get credit for it, not to worry. So once that happens, the agent begins the process of their paperwork. They're going to get copies of the contract to me, to the title company, to any other parties, and then you guys are going to set an inspection. Your agent will have an inspector or two that they like to work with, and they're going to refer them to you. And the inspection is different from the appraisal because the inspection lets you know as a homeowner, is there anything wrong with the house I'm about to purchase? And once all that's done, we will start preparing everything in-house for your loan. We will order the title work from the title company. If we need a survey, we'll get it ordered. We'll get the appraisal ordered. Once the inspection is done and you guys have agreed to everything, we'll order an appraisal. And if there's a homeowners association, we will get everything we need for that. Once that's done, we'll do some more verification. We'll get your file ready for underwriting, and we will call your homeowners insurance to get what we need from them. Once your loan is in underwriting, they're going to review it. Service First Mortgage, 24, 48 hours on the first underwriting, so we're pretty quick. We'll get it done, and you will know everything. Then what will happen is after the underwriter approves your file, they may ask for a few more items from you. May not, don't know. But if they do, we'll get with you and get that from you. Then once you're approved and ready to go, your agent's going to schedule a final walkthrough on the property to make sure nothing has happened to the property since the day you first saw it, or if you ask for any repairs, that those repairs are done. And then we're going to send you a final disclosure. It's called a CD. This is the final terms of your loan. It'll have your bottom line, cash to close, mortgage payment, everything will be in there, and it's official. You have to sign it 3 days prior to closing, and we send it out via electronic signature, so it makes everything easy. But you do have to sign that 3 days before closing. 3 days later, you're gonna be closing, and title company is gonna have all the closing documents, everything. You're gonna go and close on your home. We're gonna go back and forth. We're gonna make sure everything's ready. We'll submit funds. The wire funds to the title company so they can disperse to everyone, and you will either provide the title company with a cashier's check that includes your down payment and closing costs, or wire the funds. Once there's a closing day, you're going to meet the title company and everyone's going to sign. Once you sign, I don't know, an hour or so later, the loan will be funded and you will have keys, and now you become a homeowner. If you have any questions or you would like this document in a written form, just give me a call. Be glad to send it over to you. My team and I are always ready and available to help you purchase your home. Again, Charles Mentesanis, Service First Mortgage. My cell is 214-543-3997, and my office is 972-608-7516. I look forward to working with you and getting you into your dream home. Have a great day.